I want to show you how to play Brahms Waltz in A flat, Opus 39, number 15. If you want the letter notes for that, go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with the melody. Of course, it's in the key of A flat. It's a waltz in A flat, so it starts off on a C. C, A flat, C, C. A flat, C, D flat, and then quickly E flat, D flat, C, B flat, C. A flat, E flat, F, C, C, E flat, F, C, C, E flat, G, F, E flat, D, C, G, G, C, C. Then we do it again. This time we go E flat, D, E flat. And then we have C, C, E flat, B flat, B flat, E flat, E flat, C, C, E flat, A flat, E flat, E flat, A flat, A flat, F, F, A flat, E flat, F, F, A flat, G, F, E flat. Back to this, C, here we have an ending that goes A flat, E flat, D flat, B flat, A flat. Then we do that again. And then we end with a grand triplet finale. Up here, C. Now those notes are C, E flat, A flat, C, E, A flat, C. So you're gonna, okay, and you'll do that several times. Then we go to D flat, same as before, only we're up an octave. Now this time we go up to an F. So we go C, E flat, A flat, C, E flat, F. Do it again. And then we'll end it with the same thing, only go up to an A flat, E flat, D flat, B flat, and then hit a chord, an A flat chord we'll put A flat on the top, C, E flat, A flat. So then once you get that right hand to where you can play it, all we got to do is put in the left hand. And the left hand, I have simplified it from what's the original, but it has the chords are authentic, A flat, E flat and A flat, C and E flat. Then we're going to a D flat chord, but we're still keeping the A flat in the bass. So we start off with an A flat chord. A flat chord is A flat, C, E flat, A flat. That's all the notes we're playing right there. Then when we go to the D flat chord, we're going to keep the A flat in the bass, and we're going to go to an F and an A flat there, and then D flat and an F. Then back to the A flat chord, and then we're going to go down to an F minor chord. F, and we'll go F, C and F, A flat and C. Do that twice, and then we're going to go to a C minor chord, C, E flat, G, but we're going to play it with an E flat in the bass. E flat, G and C, and we're going to go to a G7 in the middle of that. G7, G, B, D, F, all the notes right there. 1, 3, 5, 7. So we'll go E flat, G and C, G7, and then the C minor chord. Back to the C minor chord. And we'll hit that with the C, and then an E flat and a G. So going slowly, put them together, and you can see. And when you go to this D flat, E flat, D flat, C, we're going to that D flat chord. So we're going to the A flat, F and A flat, D flat. Back to the A flat chord. Now we're going to that F minor. And here's that C minor. And then we go to a G7 and to the C minor. And the first time we go down to a G right here. See, we got the C minor chord, so we hit G, G, C, and then we do it again. Here we change. There's your G7, and this time we go to an E flat instead of the C. We go to an E flat, but we play the same thing in the left hand, C minor. And the first time we go down to a G here, but this, when we're on the E flat, we go right to a C. And then we're going to the E flat 7 chord. Now an E flat 7 is E flat G, B flat, D flat. So the left hand here, we're going to pick up some new things. We're going to have an E flat 7, and then down to the A flat. Then we have an A flat 7. Then the D flat chord. Now here the D flat is going to be on the bass, and then we got A flat and D flat, F and A flat. So your E flat 7, you're going to have E flat, B flat and D flat, G and B flat, and then the A flat we've already learned. And then the A flat 7, you're going to have A flat, E flat and G flat, C and E flat, and then the D flat, D flat, A flat and D flat, F and A flat. Then we got a B flat 7 chord right here. Now, you've got so many flats in there, you don't want to throw a D flat in there, it'll sound wrong. You've got a B flat 7, which is B flat, D, F, A flat, and we're going to play those with the B flat, F and A flat, D and F, and then E, E flat, B flat, D flat. Now you can either go down there. I've got it written to go down. So we've got, but you can play it up here too. And you just slow it down, and then we go right back into the main melody. But you're going to have that B flat, 7, F and A flat, D and F, and then E flat, B flat, D flat. So we're going to end with the E flat 7 sound, which is the 5 chord of A flat, but we're not going to play the G at all. So let me take you through that next part for the E flat part. So you can play it right there, or you can play it down here, and then we go right back into. Now here we're going to end it with A flat, E flat, D flat, B flat, A flat. So. And in the left hand, we're going to go down to a C flat, C, E flat, G, A flat. So we'll go. And then we go. And that'll lead us right back into that E flat 7 again. That is E flat 7. So we come right out of this melody reprise, and it takes us with this. Back into that E flat 7. Let me play that slowly so that you can see that interchange. And I'll start right on that F minor right before we go down to the C. Right here, we're going to go down, we're going to put this E flat in. We're going to go right back to that because we're going to that E flat chord to lead us back into this, back to the A flat. So we're going to go to the E flat 7, and we're going to play this down, melody down. And of course, when you go back to this E flat chord, I've got it written out so you can play it just straight E flat. It sounds good. In fact, that's what Brahms does there. He doesn't put the 7th chord in there, but so you can go with the 7th or the E flat right there, and you can do the same thing here. But at this point, it sounds better to put the 7th in there. And then we're ready for this C up here, and we go down to the A. Now you'll notice you're not doing anything new on the left hand. Right there. So you've already learned that. And then you've learned the ending, the tag ending. C, E flat, G, A flat, and then hit a chord. So now I'm going to go slowly so that you can see that right there. So we've got the here we go to an A flat, and then hold that, and then hit this chord, and you've got it. Now I've slowed that down so you can see it. We've got 2 notes, A flat and E flat to the C, then 2 notes to the B, then just 1 note on the E flat, 1 note on the G. Put it together. And it's a little tricky getting your right hand to come down that and then go down there and play the chord. But if you practice it a few times hand separately, you can get it. And then come down. So in the right hand you're going to have C, E flat, A flat. In the left hand you're going to have E flat, A flat, C. One more time for that ending. There you have Brahms Waltz in A flat. Hope you enjoy it.